So today we'll learn how to order reseller hosting from webhostuk.co.uk. So you'll first need to visit our website webhostuk.co.uk. We have several plans. This are reseller hosting plans. So as you see, we have Linux Bronze Cloud, Linux Silver Cloud, Linux Platinum Cloud, and Linux Gold Cloud. So each web hosting plan, the reseller web hosting plan, comes with allocated disk space, and the disk space varies as per plan. We have also a few other features such as free WHMCS billing system that we offer with our gold and platinum plan, free ENOM reseller account, private name servers, dedicated IP. Your reseller plan comes with Softaculous script installer that allows you to install around 400 plus scripts free of cost, just with one-click installer from your control panel. So we'll just try to order a Linux Gold plan so that we can avail this WHMCS billing system, and we can also get a free dedicated IP. It's the best deal that we are offering. So we'll try to click on order now. Here you have three options: to register your domain name, to transfer your domain name, or to use your existing domain name. So I will try to register a new domain name. You can select your TLD from here. I'll just try .com TLD. It will check for the domain availability and it will ask you to continue. Here you can select your desired billing cycle for your web hosting plan. Is it 1 month, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, 36 months? The higher you choose, the benefit you get for your reseller hosting. So I'll try it with 24 months plan. You can also choose your data center location. You can also choose your preferred control panel. We offer a choice of direct admin control panel as well as cPanel. cPanel, since they have revised the prices since last year, so it is per account based. So we are offering free 10 cPanel accounts with our reseller hosting. And if you wish to host more customers under your reseller hosting plan, you can simply request us to upgrade your license and we'll just upgrade it for you. So we have a slab of 10 cPanel accounts, which is free of course, and then we have 30 cPanel accounts, 50 cPanel accounts, 70, 100, 150, 200, and so on. And of course we have direct admin control panel, which does not have any such kind of limitation on accounts. So if you are you're used to direct admin control panel, you can of course go with this option. So I'll just choose with cPanel because that is more popular for web hosting companies, and we get most customers from cPanel web hosting companies. I won't choose dedicated IP because I'm ordering a gold plan and it comes with a free dedicated IP. Incoming spam filter, I can of course choose one, or you can just use the free one that we offer. Outgoing spam filter, you can select one or you can just click on none. Then you can choose your basic malware scanning, which we offer Immunify 360. That's a product from Cloud Linux we offer, and it's free, that we offer for our reseller customers. We offer daily backups for our reseller customers. It's of course included free of cost. And then we offer free migration from your old hosting company to our servers. It's free for unlimited accounts, so you can of course take advantage of this wonderful service that we offer. Then we have SSL that we offer free of cost with all your cPanel accounts, the free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. If you need a paid one, or maybe if you are hosting some kind of e-commerce website, then you can go for a paid SSL certificate, or else our free SSL is more than enough for that. Then we have Cloudflare. I'll just choose the Cloudflare and the free SSL, and there are options for your support and other additional backups. I'll just leave them for now. I can order them later if I wish to and I'll click on continue. So here I'm trying to register a new domain name, so it gives me an option to manage DNS and ID protection. I'll click them and I'll click on continue. So here you get the option to check out, and the next screen that you can see is to pay via different payment methods such as bank transfer or credit card or PayPal. Well, I have already created an account, so assuming that you have placed an order, and once we have processed your order, you will need to log into your control panel. So you can log into your control panel by clicking on client portal, and you'll see a login button. You can click over here. And I'll enter my control panel login details. So as I see, I have one active service, which is Linux Gold Cloud Reseller Plan. I also see one active domain under me, which is my domain name that I have registered with this company, WebHostUK. So I'll click on my services. I just forgot to mention that once your order is processed, you will receive a welcome email from us, which will include all the name server information and the login details to your control panel such as cPanel and WHM control panel. WHM control panel is the control panel that allows you access to your reseller control panel, whereas the cPanel control panel is the client end control panel that allows you to configure your domains, email address, MySQL database, etc. So you can just also view your email history over here. So this is the email that I received from my web hosting company. So as you see, it tells me about my domain name, my username, my password, my hosting package, my control panel details, my primary and secondary name servers. If you do not wish to use your private name servers, then you can use our traditional name servers, which are of course white labeled. If you wish to use your own name servers, such as your domain name servers, you can go for registering your name servers. Since you have registered a domain name from us, I'll just try to register my private name servers over here. So as you see, it says, if you wish to use your private name servers, please register your name servers with the following IPs. I'll try to copy and paste these information. I'll try to paste them in a notepad, and I'll show you how to register your name servers. If your domain is registered through WebHostUK, the process is pretty simple. You have to go to Domains, My Domains, then click on Manage Name Servers. The next screen that it will show you is the default name servers that it has been configured, and you can use the private name servers option to register your private name servers. Please note, unless and until your private name servers are registered, you cannot use them for any of your websites. So first you need to register them. So I'll click on private name servers tag, and here you get two or three options, I guess. It's register a name server, modify an existing name server, or delete a name server. So I'll click on registering a name server. It's ns1 webhost-uk.net, and I need to provide it an IP, so I'll get the IP from the welcome email that was sent to you. Save changes. Great, the name server was successfully registered. Similarly, I'll register my second name server, which is ns2, and it needs an IP, so I'll obtain the information from the email and click on save changes. So your name servers are now ready, and you can use them for your domain and as well as your customer domains. In future, when you are supposed to receive orders from your clients, and when they are supposed to use your name servers, they will be using your private name servers, which is ns1 and ns2. You just configure right now a few minutes ago. So I'll just configure them for my domain, and my now domain has these name servers configured. You can name server propagation, it can take up to 24 hours, but usually it's pretty quick these days. So I'll just try to visit intodns.com, and there I can actually check the name server status for my domain. Yeah, as you can see, it's ns1 and ns2. So my name servers were registered successfully, and they are now resolving for my domain. Alright, so the next step is to set up your WHM reseller control panel. So I'll go to services, my services. Here is my active service. If you see, there are two links. Log into your cPanel, log into your WHM. WHM is your reseller control panel, which will allow you to create accounts, modify accounts, suspend accounts, and cPanel is your main control panel, where you are supposed to manage your domain name, upload files to your domain name, create email address under your domain name. So I'll just try to log into my WHM for now. It logs me to the reseller control panel. As you can see, you can have an option for create a new account, list accounts, add a package. So I'll get started with adding a package, because without a package I won't be able to create an account. So I'll just try to add a package. I'll just give it a name, something as maybe Mercury. I'll allocate the disk space such as maybe 2 GB, monthly bandwidth around 10 GB. Yeah, and then you get the option to allocate FTP accounts, email accounts, max quota per email address, max databases, max subdomains, park domains, add-on domains, and so on. So I'll just leave them as default, and I'll click on add. So my reseller package is ready. The name of my reseller package is Mercury. So as you can see, the package has a prefix of my reseller username, which is WebHostUK_WebMercury. If you are planning to set up WHMCS, this package name needs to be entered exactly as it is, so that there is no mismatch between the information in WHMCS and your WHM. So now I'll just go to create a new account. You can find the feature under account functions, create a new account. Here you can see your reseller summary, such as you are allowed 10 domains. So you have, as of now, since there are no domains, it's 0 of 10 domains. The disk space allocated is 200 GB. This space is MB, so it's 200 GB, and this is unlimited bandwidth, so we offer it as 2000 GB, but of course you can increase it, or you can request it to be increased in future if you need it more. So I'm just trying to enter a new domain, maybe johnnydemo.com. It should be a valid domain name. A username, I'll use password generator to generate a very high complex password, and then I'll choose my package that I just created some time ago. Scroll down and click create. As you see, these are the name servers that are supposed to be configured for this new account that I am just trying to create for my customer. Wow, your cPanel account for your customer is ready. You can find the information over here. You can click on list accounts, and you'll see your newly created cPanel account. You can even log into your cPanel from here. This is your customer cPanel, and here you can manage your customer cPanel, or maybe you can just help them further. I'll just quickly walk you through with a few other features for our reseller WHM control panel, such as we also allow you to white label your WHM and cPanel control panel. If you can see account functions, we have a web template editor, and we have themes. So we have themes installed, and we have several other features that we offer with our reseller hosting control panel. You can also terminate accounts, you can upgrade, downgrade an account, you can modify passwords for an account, you can also edit your DNS zones for your main account, or you can also also manage your DNS for your customer accounts. Then we offer mail delivery reports that will allow you to keep a watch on your customer email activity. And then we have this managed API tokens that you will need if you are trying to configure any kind of billing system such as WHMCS or any other similar billing system. So here's how a brief overview of our reseller control panel, and I hope this video will help you to configure your reseller hosting for your customers. If you need any help, you are most welcome to visit our website webhostuk.co.uk and initiate a live chat from our website. One of our 24/7 help representatives will be available to help you. So that's all for now, and see you soon. Bye bye.